Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss some terms related to circle which will help us to solve the exercise 10A of New School Mathematics D3 7th edition, Oxford, unit number 10, whose title is Arc Length, Area of Sector and Radian Measure. Look at this figure. The black color boundary covering the pink color is a set of points which are very closely to each other and are equidistant from a fixed point, that is O. It means every point on the boundary is equidistant from a fixed point A. This boundary is called a circle. The circle is a plane figure and this fixed point O is called the center of the circle. Every circle is named by its center. As the center of this circle is O, hence this circle is called circle O. The definition of circle is: a circle is a plane figure that consists of all points that lie the same distance from a fixed point, that is the center. The fixed point that defines a circle is called center. A circle is named by its center. A circle with center O is called a circle O. Look at this figure. Here the length of line segment from the center O to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Here A is any point on the circle and O is the center, hence the length of OA is the radius of this circle. Now we discuss diameter. Length of line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose end points lie on the circle is called diameter. Here A is a point on the circle, also B is a point on the circle, and this AB line passes through the center of the circle O, hence the length AB is called the diameter of the circle. Here diameter is equal to length of AB and radius is equal to length of AO. Relationship between diameter is radius is diameter is equal to the 2 times of radius, while radius is the half of the diameter. Area of a circle. We have a circle of radius r. Then the area of this circle is equal to pi r square, where pi is any constant which is equal to 22 by 7. The distance around the circle is called the circumference of the circle. The circumference of a circle is directly related to the diameter. If a circle has a circumference C and diameter D, then C over D is a constant which is equal to pi, which is equal to 22 by 7. It means the ratio between the circumference and diameter is 22 by 7. Or we can say any circle having the circumference 22 must have a diameter of 7, or any circle having a diameter 7 must have a circumference is equal to 22. 22 by 7 is approximately equal to 3.14. The formula to find the circumference of the circle: if a circle having a length of diameter D, then circumference of this circle is equal to pi d. Or if a circle having the r radius, then circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. If we are given the diameter, then we shall apply this formula: C is equal to pi d, and if r is given, then we can calculate the circumference of the circle. C is equal to 2 pi r. This is a circle having a center O. Here P and Q are 2 points on the circle. The line which meets the P and Q is called the chord of the circle. Here PQ is the chord of the circle. in the circle. This blue boundary is called the arc of the circle. Here the blue boundary is a part of the circumference. So PRQ is called the arc of the circle. The part of the circumference PSQ is also an arc which is called the major arc, while the PRQ is called the minor arc. Look at this figure. The OP is one radius, the other radius is OQ, and PRQ is an arc. The blue area which is enclosed by these two radii and one arc is called the minor sector. Here the blue area is minor sector. Similarly, the OP is a radius while OQ is also radius, and PSQ is the arc. The area bounded by these two radii and one arc is called the major sector of the circle. The light brown area shown here is a major sector. Here the line PQ divides a circle into two parts. Here the blue area enclosed by a chord PQ and a minor arc PRQ is called the minor segment, while the area enclosed by PQ chord and PSQ arc is called the major segment of the circle. If you are visiting my channel first time, subscribe the channel and press bell icon to receive the notification of every video. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.